Before we get started, just very quickly.
Okay, please.
Okay, I just wanted to remark that Marcia really provides a service of love, Marcia love, to us by recording our meetings and including the chat. It's a wonderful service. It's a wonderful contribution. We can, if we miss a meeting, we're able to go back and find our place. And she, of course, provides us with an anchor with regard to information. And I want to thank Marcia so very, very much. The Vinkl is also recognizing Marcia with a donation to the Yiddish Book Center. So we are so
Very
pleased.
nice.
Yeah, we're very pleased. And thank you, Marcia. Wanted to make sure that got recorded.
Thank you, Marcia. Thank you. And thank you for reminding me to record because I always forget. Okay, so let's start. So where are we? Yeah, I have to share something with you. Okay, I checked it yesterday and it played loud. So let's hope it will be loud.
Yeah.
Okay.
Zu davenen oi Shabbos ahoi Zu davenen oi Shabbos Denn doch zu neu kim drei schönste Balabatim von dem Städtler Hey, ja, hey, ja, hey, ja, hey Einer a Schneiderl Und einer a Schisterl Und einer a Balagoletschi Jetzt Harry von der Schneiderl Hey for the matzi mit der Nadel ashto also der Gitarre und jetzt habe ich von der Schisterla hey ja hey ja hey ja hey und der Gitarre und der Gitarre also ich will for the matzi mit der a što hazayo tajer gedal Iz harif und das balagol chikla hey 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 o tajer gedabrt o tajer gedabrt o tajer gedabrt azoy vidyokhtiye yashke satsiye bider bayt shaklap yo Yo te
It's a fun one. Okay, so Ronald, can you start reading the English?
Yes. Let me put my video on. Okay. Communal prayer, as it developed in synagogues after the destruction of the Second Temple, did not require a chazan. Generally, it was the rabbis and the Kohanim who led the service, whether it was recited or sung. Initially, chazonim were assigned a variety of custodial and teaching tasks. The liturgy was mostly codified by the end of the 2nd century, and evidence exists of official salaried cantors from the 4th century.
Go on, please.
In Europe, not many congregations could afford to pay a chazan a living wage, so it was only a part-time job for many. In addition, increasing rabbinical requirements for the position made it even more difficult to find acceptable candidates. And some authorities ruled out people with physical handicaps or what were deemed to be character flaws. We read about that in the Torah. Women were excluded, of course.
Okay,
of
continue.
But wealthier communities could afford not only a full-time chazan, but possibly a choir as well. Those communities commonly held tryouts where chazonim completely or competed for the job, as depicted in the 1931 film Chazan Afen Probe, Cantor on Trial. As a result of such competition, a star system of celebrities evolved. We have listened to three such stars: Moshe Oyster singing Halavai with the Berry Sisters. That's one of my favorite songs. I've named my klezmer band the Halavai Klezmer Band. And Yosele Rosenblatt and Samuel Malofsky singing Zog Soin Rebenu.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ronald. Stella, can you read?
I think Stella's tuned in, but she's distracted by her family. They're having breakfast before she has to do something later after the meeting.
Oh,
So
no, no, no,
she's
no,
listening.
no. I'm
There
she's
she
here. I'm
is.
here.
All
here.
right.
Ronnie,
You
I
got your
took your
sound
advice.
was on.
I did that before the class started.
Okay, go on, Stella.
Okay. Es ist einmal gekommen nach Hause in a Städtel zu davenen, auf Shabbos. Ai,
Ahai.
so, what is it?
Ahai.
Ahai, ahai.
No,
It's the daven-
ahai.
Ahai, ahai.
Ahai.
Zu davenen auf Shabbos. Dus de neufgene kommen die drei schönste Balabatim von dem Städtel. Ahei. Einer a Schneiderl und einer a Schusterl und einer a Bal a Gale Schickel.
Balagulchikl, yes. So
Balagulchikl.
can you translate it, please?
Oh, sure, sure. Once came to the village of Chazan to daven on Shabbos. Yay. To daven on Shabbos. And they came together three people. The three the three nicest people in the village, I guess. Balabatim are like considered like important folk, right?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay. One was a tailor. One was, I think, a shoemaker.
Yes.
Yeah.
And one was who the buggy like
wagon
the leader.
driver.
Wagon driver, right?
A
Wagon
dragon
driver.
driver. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Mina, I just want to point out one thing.
Sure.
The expression "the shenste balabatim" in certain contexts, a shena yid didn't mean a handsome Jew. It meant someone who was very observant, someone who was very pious.
Pious.
And I think that's what they mean in this context.
Could say the finest.
Really important, the shoemaker, the tailor, because they're pious Jews.
Okay. Good. So let's continue. Chaya, can you read, Chaya?
I'm sorry, I can't do long text because I'm short of breath.
Okay, no problem at all. Okay. You will tell me when you can, okay, Chaya?
I can do small stuff.
Okay. Can you do what's on the screen?
Yeah, I can try. Ruft sich ob der Schneiderl, ahei, hat gedavnt. Hat gedavnt, and the tailor said, ahei, and he prayed. Oh, did he pray? Azoi wie ich tu, mit dem Fode Matzi, mit dem Not Lashtoch, ahei, azoi hat gedavnt. Like I do with the thread, like I pull the thread and I pierce with the needle. This is how he prayed. And this
Okay.
is my limit.
Yeah, that's okay. No problem. That's okay.
Mina,
Thank you very much. Yes, Maurice.
in listening to the song this time, I wrote it down, the nodel ashtoch, he pierces with a needle. but I think he said all. You know, the tool called an awl. It's like a sharp. So I think that's what he was saying. So this might be a mistake. Anyway, my
Okay.
mistake.
We will listen to it more
Sure.
carefully next time, but you
Okay.
know. Okay. So, Brenda, can you? Brenda? Okay.
I don't see her.
You don't see her?
No.
Okay. Cookie, since you're singing, Cookie,
Yeah,
since you're singing, can you read it?
yes.
Okay.
Der Schuster.
No. Read what's going on.
Oh. Ruft sich. Hello. I'm on Zoom. I can't talk to anybody. Who is it? It's Rick. I'm changing your phone.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oy vey Esmer. Oy vey Esmer.
Hat gedavent. Gedavent, yeah.
Okay, go, read.
Read. Azoi wie ich tu
Yes.
mit dem Fodem. So just like I do with the thread, see mit dem noodle ashtoch, and I just like you give with the needle a pierce, a stick. Azoi hat gedavent.
Okay, so can you translate it?
What's reading?
Can you translate?
Oh, sure. Ruftegedaven, Hategedaven. Oh my God, did he sing? He sang so beautifully. I mean, my God, it was heartbreaking, so wonderful. Hategedaven, Sheinachamo. Hategedaven, Sheinachamo. Azoivi ich tu, just like I do with a thread. Just as I do with a thread, I hold a thread, just as I do pierce with a needle. That's the way that man sang. It was
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Hilda, can you go on?
Ruft sich op der
Balagolchikl.
Say it again.
Balagolchikl.
Balagolchikl.
Yeah.
The driver called Hotel gedavent. Wow, could he daven pray?
No, but here it's not praying, Hilda. It's gedabert. Could he talk?
Oh, could he talk?
Yes, could he talk?
Oh, wow. Could he talk? Azoi wie ich tu, just as I do, mit die letztes. What is letztes?
Rains.
Oh, just as I do with the reins at sea, I just as I pull the reins,
right,
mit der bite, a clap, with the whip, a tap. Yes, ja. Azoi Hotel Gedavent. That is how he prayed.
No, Gedabert again.
He spoke.
Oh, that is how he
comes from the Hebrew medaber.
You know, this question about Gedabert, I'm not sure whether the point of it is to make fun of the coachman because he's inarticulate, or there's some other. I mean, it wouldn't make sense that the chazan would be praised for the way he spoke. So I'm not sure Dabrin is a real word or it's just a way to kind of poke fun at the coachman because he, instead of saying gedavent, he's saying gedabert. I'm not sure what the intention is here.
What is it? Does gedabert have a meaning?
Yes.
means
Speak.
to speak, but it's
All right.
um,
The blabber.
yes, blabber.
It's
Right.
really
Blabber.
Hebrew. It's
It
really
comes
Yeah.
from it comes
Yes.
from the Hebrew medaber.
Yes.
Right.
But
I
you
don't know
know
what
what? On the sheet that I have, it doesn't say gedabert, it says gedavent.
Maybe
On
a
the one,
typo.
Okay.
and I'm
Might be a
wondering
typo.
whether gedabert, but it happened twice.
No, he
Right.
he definitely says gedabert. There's
I
no-
know,
he
but what I'm
rolls-
saying is
he
on
rolls
my
those
sheet,
R's. Gedabert.
I know, but on my sheet twice it says gedavent. Every
I
place
don't
it
know where
says
you got that sheet, but not from
from
me.
you. From you.
Gedavin? No, I don't think so.
Gedavin is sing and Gedavert is talk. They
Yeah.
talk gibberish.
Right.
No, not gibberish. No.
Blabber.
I
No,
mean,
to blabber.
in each of these, they're complimenting the Hasen that he does as well as they do with their jobs and their business. So
Right.
he would be
That's right.
praising him that he talks as well as I do, because I have to talk when I'm picking up people with my carriage, you know.
Right. Okay.
Could it
Okay.
be because
So-
they had more like blue collar jobs that it's pointing out that they maybe would use the wrong word? Like,
Yes, it may be that when I first heard it, that was my first instinct that this is making fun of the Balagolchik, but I'm not sure.
I looked up in the dictionary and it says
You have
daverin,
your water?
and it says a pejorative, speak
Right.
and
Right.
talk. So it is from the Hebrew daver, but it's pejorative, a mumble.
Right. So why should he be saying that about this candidate for the Chazan? You know, I don't know.
Okay, I see people raise their hands. So Rochelle, yes.
The stanza before this, for the shoemaker, I think you have the wrong, you have the one for the tailor there. Because it should be Mittenhamig is something in Schwebelig. This is wrong.
No,
So
it's not. This is the way Theodore Bickel sang it on his
no,
record.
no, I have the record.
Okay, it's
this
maybe
part, the second. This is a repetition of the
it's a repetition. Maybe Michael Moore just didn't pay attention.
There's a stanza for the shoemaker that's mitten Hammer geklappt, mitten and whatever.
Well,
Okay,
we'll listen to it again. We'll see.
Okay, maybe Michael just didn't pay attention, and
That's possible.
and he
Maybe,
repeated it.
whatever,
Yes,
but
yeah. Okay, Michael is not here, so he cannot.
we can't
tell
blame
us.
him.
Yeah. Marsha and then Josefa. Marsha.
Fudum. What does fudum mean?
Bread.
Bread.
Foodum.
Food,
Bread.
right.
Foodum.
Yes, for them or food them. You say potato, I say potato.
Anyway, Josefa, yes.
Yeah, I have in my hand the original liner notes lyrics from Vinkle's album, which I posted in the chat from the record number from 1958. Whoever did this did a copy and paste error. The second stanza is, as someone else just said, is missing the correct words for the awl and the hammer of the cobbler. And what's odd is in Vinkle's, and he did his own translations, he does have gedabert in the third stanza in the Yiddish. In the English, he didn't bother to, he just said sang, the way he sang. He just said it the same. I think he didn't want to get into it. Let it go.
Well,
But don't forget that when you're davening, you're doing two things. You're doing your melodic, all that stuff, and it's words. So you're also speaking.
Yeah, let me just point out, for those of you who really want to get into it, there were at least two other versions of this song on YouTube, both sung by very successful chazonim. One's name was Waldman, Label of Waldman, and the other one was Hershman, Mordechai Hershman. So if you really want to see what these chazonim, how they sang it, go on YouTube look for Waldman and Herschmann and see how they sang it. Because
next week we'll have a
this song
debate.
we don't know who wrote this song. So, there is a variety of versions, and you can pick the one you choose.
Good night.
Okay. I think we should listen to it once again, and then maybe, just listen.
Maybe we should listen and stop dabbering.
Yeah, and stop dabbering. Exactly. Good, Susan. Very good. Okay.
שלמה ויקי מן החזנין השטטל, שדאבן auf Shabbos, שדאבן auf Shabbos, שדאבן auf Shabbos, שדאבן auf Shabbos, שדאבן auf Shabbos. Denn doch zu neu kim drei schönste Balabatim von dem Städtler, hey, ja, hey, ja, hey, ja, hey. Einer a Schneiderl, und einer a Schiesterl, und einer a Balagologi. Jetzt Harry von der Schneiderl, hey, hey, ja, hey, ja, hey. Ot hey, gedaven, ot hey, gedaven. Also wie
Losing the sound.
Und der Matzi, mit der Nodel Ashto, also ot hey, gedaven. Und jetzt Harry von der Schiesterl, hey, ja, hey, ja, hey, ja, hey.
Came out.
Ot hey, gedaven, ot hey, gedaven. Also wie jefti mit dem Fode Matzi mit der Rola Stoch also jota gedau Ist Harif und das Balagol Chikla hey 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 hot gedabrt hot gedabrt hot gedabrt Also wie jefti mit der Jaschke Satzi mit der Weitscha Klapp. Yo! Also, jota
Okay, so listening to it once again, it seems that Michael just did what Vinkl is singing.
Yeah, the only problem is Nodal here, otherwise
Yeah.
it's fine.
Yeah, but otherwise, that's how it is.
Yeah, but that's
Can
not
I-
the way Vinkl sings it.
Yes.
Can I
Yeah.
ask what tune does this? I mean, it's such a familiar.
Romania.
Romania. Oh my God. My father, it was favorite record. I think I still have it. It's so ancient. Oh, thank you.
Okay, yes, Ronald.
I wanted to ask about the comprehension of the poem, the song. At first, I thought that it was, three of these candidates came from three candidates for the Chazan position.
No.
That they were going to sing, and they were also, but their full-time jobs were, a wagon driver. But it turns out that they were all criticizing or talking about the one Chazan
Yes.
that was singing. And they were talking about the Chazan from each of their points of view.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, that's
wanted to
right.
make sure I
That's
understood
right.
it correctly.
And what do you know? I have a story just about it, but not now. We will read it some other time, but just about it, a story from South Africa. So we will do it another time, but it's just about, about a Chazan coming to the
Try out.
town, and all the people are criticizing. So
Right.
we will do it some
still
other
true
time.
today.
Yeah.
It's
No,
still
today
true
we
today.
cannot
Only the
because I
richest
didn't-
synagogues can have Chazan, can afford to pay Chazan.
Yeah.
All the poor synagogues, they have to have, people who, volunteer on a given Saturday or Friday to do, even though they work full time in other positions, they have beautiful voices and they participate in their congregations in that way.
Okay. Thank you, Ronald. Mariv and then Bob. Mariv.
So, my Yiddish isn't good enough to get these subtleties. Are they complimenting the candidate, or are they making fun of it?
Complimenting.
No, they're complimenting, but of
I
course
did-
it shows
Wait,
their
wait.
particular. It shows it shows their particular bias. One of them says
They're
he's singing
comparing it
just
to
the
what
way
they know,
No.
right?
In
They're
Yiddish, in
But
Yiddish, there's
that's
no
that's right.
difference
That's
between
separated.
complimenting and making fun.
Everything has an
That
edge.
summarizes it.
Okay.
Okay.
Kind of
Maurice, you wanted to say
subtle fun
something
of the
else?
three
Yeah.
chants that
I just think
because each one interprets his singing according to the way he works.
Right. Okay, but we don't know. They might also be making a comment on their own state of life or whatever. As there could be layers and layers of
Not that
nuances here.
complicated. Some things are simple, Marie.
Oh, okay.
No,
Okay.
Bob and then Morty.
they're just stating how much skill it requires to
Yeah.
do what the cousin is doing, and they're comparing it to what skills they've developed over years and years and years. So it's just equalizing the rising to the pinnacle of how good this guy is. He
Right.
can do this as
Sure.
well as I can do this. I can master this. I think it's all beautiful.
Yes,
But it's
it is.
interesting how that last
It's very clever.
that last
Well, I like. Sorry. Go on. I liked what Josefa wrote in the chat. It's the Shtetl got talent, you know. Those are the. I love it. I love it, Josefa. Yes, Morty.
I was just going to say that to me, this is all very sarcastic. First, and I don't know if somebody has mentioned this before, but first of all, the mentioning of the three people as Balebatem, the Shenste Balebatem and the Shtut, is super sarcastic because those three levels of work were definitely not the Shenste Balebatem. They were considered very low kind of in the categories of people in the shtetls. These were definitely in the bottom levels. So I think what they are this is sarcastic, especially with the Balagul, who were known generally as not very learned people, to say the least. When he says Gedabert, he's really poking fun at the Chazan. That's my take on this.
I'm not.
Okay, thank you.
Two
So as
Jews, three opinions.
Yeah. Okay, so as I said later on, I just didn't print it out, and we will read a story just about this topic. Anyway, Ezra, Mazel Tov. Wir sind jetzt 20. It's Ezra's birthday today. So
thank you.
Wir sind jetzt 20. Mazel
Thank you
Tov.
very much.
Can we sing it in Yiddish?
Sure.
If someone can start it.
Zu dein Geburtstag. Go ahead.
Zu dein Jontefheit haben sich versammelt, eine gute Freude.
Hurra,
Hurra, wir wünschen dir, hurra, hurra, wir wünschen dir gesund und Glück. Hurra, hurra, wir wünschen dir, hurra, hurra, wir wünschen dir gesund und Glück.
Oh, thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Any more comments on the song before we move to the story? Bob, your hand is up. You want to say something, Bob?
What?
I think it's up from before.
Okay, what else are you doing today?
Somebody's.
I think that was Leah. I muted Leah. Yes, Rafael, please.
The Yiddish Vach, a number of years ago, we invented a new birthday song.
Ooh.
And so I'll just sing the first verse of it.
Okay.
Ein bist du ein neuer Mensch, lass mir machen ein groß Hurra, älter Krieger, euch gebenchte, maseltiger jeder sah. And then it repeats.
Okay.
Very good. Very good.
Rafael, since you're talking about Yiddish Vach, can you tell the people about this year when it is? Do you have the dates? If someone, I don't know if you can still register.
Yeah, yes, I have. late registration is open. It's the August 12th. Hold on while I get my calendar up. Yeah, it's August 14th to the 21st. So it starts in the afternoon on Friday, the 14th of August, and it finishes actually on the 20th.
What is
So
it?
Yiddish Woch.
Oh,
so
Yiddish.
this is
I
Yiddish Woch,
registered for it
and
already.
the rules in Yiddish Woch are that you only speak Yiddish the whole week, insofar as you possibly can. Now, there will be occasions when you just can't, but if you can, you're expected to speak Yiddish. And people, about 160 people came last year, ranging from newborns to people in their 90s. So, and there are people of all various age groups represented very well there.
Okay, so if
Beautiful.
anyone still wants to go, Rafael says that late registration is open. So please take it into consideration. Yes, Marie.
Rafael, could you please put those words in the chat for the birthday song? I know there's several people here who would like to learn that and know it.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
I'll put a link in, then you can find it.
Okay,
Exactly.
great. Thank
That's
you.
That's better. Yes, Cookie. Cookie, you're muted for some reason. I didn't mute you.
I did it by accident because she was talking,
Okay.
but I didn't
Because
think.
I promised her not to.
I know. I realized afterward. Let's see if
Ich
she
hab
can
the
do it.
Wörter in Yiddish too.
Okay. Yes, Henrietta.
Ja. Zu dein Geburtstag, zu dein ganze Tagheit haben wir versammelt deine Gitte Freund. Hurra, hurra, wir wünschen dir. Hurra, hurra, wir wünschen dir. Wir wünschen dir gesund und Glück.
Okay, good. Thank you, Henrietta.
That's one
Thank
version.
you,
That's one version.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, Cookie, and
I
then
was
we
trying
move
to
to the
remember the
Made
words.
up my own words. I didn't know there were any Yiddish words, so I said, I glickliche Geburtstag zu dir. I glickliche Geburtstag zu dir.
Okay.
Song mit Glick. I glickliche Geburtstag zu dir. That's what I used to sing. But I wanted to tell you one memory I have of that registration. I called up that Yiddish place, and he says, "Does your husband speak Yiddish?" I said, "No, he doesn't, but he understands it." He says, "Well, he will not be allowed to speak any other language when he's outside by the pool or anywhere. He must speak Yiddish." I said, "But he can't speak Yiddish." So I said, "Can we speak English in the bedroom?" So he says, "In the bedroom, you could speak Swahili."
Exactly. Yeah.
I never forgot it. You can speak Swahili, but outside it's Yiddish only. So we never went because what was I going to do with him?
Because you don't know how to speak Swahili. That's why you didn't go. So yeah.
That was so funny. He could speak Swahili in the bedroom.
Okay. Okay.
I would love to go to a place like that.
Okay. Apropos, that was Yiddish Woch. Yiddish land is at the same time.
I wish I had it
At
near
the
here.
same time. I don't know how they're doing it, but it's the same week. So you can choose whether you want to go to Yiddish land
Yeah,
or
and
to
I
Yiddish
think Class
Woch.
Canada is the same week also.
Yeah. Oh, perfect. I don't know who's doing the dates.
I think the
Anyway.
reason is because they all have children's camps and they don't do their thing until the children's camp is over.
Ah.
Okay,
And
makes
then,
sense.
and
I
then
was
after
just
that,
gonna
it's
say
Labor
that.
Day.
I was just gonna say that.
So
Then it's
they
the
have to
holidays.
fit it into the calendar between Labor Day and the end of the children's camp.
Well, that makes sense.
Because it isn't the same week every year. It just happens to be this year.
No, it was the same last
No,
year.
it has been for several years.
Yeah, it was last year.
Some years it was consecutive. There were people who went to both of them. They went to Yiddishland and then went to Yiddish Woch right after.
Okay. And anyway, if you want, in February, there is Yiddish Woch in Romania. So
Wow.
you can do this as well. Anyway, let's go back to the story. Okay, what am I sharing? I think I'm sharing this one. Yes. Okay. It's okay? It's big enough?
No.
No?
Yes.
Bigger.
It's good. So remember that the guy put $20 into his bank, and since then he's so anxious that he cannot sleep. He thinks that the bank will get robbed, and he's watching the bank, and he wants his deposit back, but he cannot get his deposit back because there is a rule of 2 weeks. Anyway, so he's watching the bank, and he sees the guys running quickly out of the bank, and he thinks that the guy robbed the bank only, and he's calling the police. Only it turned out that the guy is running to the hospital because his wife is giving birth.
Can you move the text to the right a little? It's obscured
Yes.
by some of this. Yeah, excellent.
Okay, that's okay?
Yep.
Okay. So, hier we are überschlafen, ob ich wieder nicht gekonnt. Susan, can you start? Susan?
Okay.
Überschlafen.
Gratis for.
No. We are page 233 down. Last.
And where is
line 4 down from down. Überschlafen, ob ich wieder nicht gekonnt.
Where is it?
Page 233.
Put the pointer where it is.
Hab ich mich a Kappele verschämt. Und a heim gefahren. I was a little bit embarrassed, and I went home. Aber schlafen hab ich wieder nicht gekonnt, but I still could not sleep. A ganze Nacht hat sich mir als ausgedacht. A whole night it seemed to me as das Kasserl, was hat mir gegeben, Vinkl. It seemed to me that the treasurer who gave me this little book held in their hand a zekel, and he holds in his hand a little purse mit Geld und läuft. He's taken little bit of money, and he's running away. Und ich nach ihm, and I after him.
So he keeps dreaming about the money being taken. So.
Und ich hab wieder etliche Mal geschrien Gewalt, and I again a couple of times yelled for help. Von Schlaf und geworfen mit die Hand. What Mal geschrien Gewalt
Von Schlaf. While sleeping.
Oh, while sleeping. And he threw with his hands und sheer der Harget the baby, and he moved his hands and almost killed the baby. Zu morgens ganz früh bin ich weg to a landsman. In the morning, very early, I went to my landsman, was wohnt grad gegen der Bank, who lives right across the street from the bank, or across from the bank. Und ich hab ihm zuhalten zugesagt, 30%, and I promised him 30% von dem Verlust, from whatever would be lost. Is that?
Yes.
Wie soll halten an Auge auf der Bank, as long as he will keep an eye on the bank, und soll sie watchen, and he should watch it.
Watch it.
Watch. Go ahead, watch. Hab ich ihm gebeten. Watch, I begged him. Sitz und watch. Sit and watch. Los nicht darauf. So don't let it go. Or don't get up. Oh, los nicht darauf an euch von der Bank. Don't don't raise an eye off the bank. Keep looking at the bank. Und so ich and so fast, sag ich, I say, wie Gott wird mir helfen. And so fast that God will help me und die 2 Wochen werden beschulen arriba, and the 2 weeks will peacefully go by. Is hab ich gleich a rois, and what would you say? I grab and go out?
I will grab it. He will grab the
grab it
money.
and leave.
Oh,
He'll cash it in other words.
Yeah.
Oh, and hab ich gleich, okay, I will cash it in. Zog ich die 20 Tuller. I'm talking about the $20. Und losen sich, zog ich, unsinden alle Bank, and let all the banks burn up. Mehr, sag ich, tritt ich door nicht arriba. And what more I say, don't go up there.
No, arriba the Schwell.
So, tritt ich dort nicht arriba. I will not go up there. Die
Threshold.
I will not go up the path.
No, I will not cross the threshold.
Exactly.
The
He will not.
threshold. Oh, the
Yeah.
Schwell is the
The Schwell.
threshold.
Yeah, the threshold. Yeah.
Or the doorstep.
Oh, the
Yeah, but it's a
Doorstep.
threshold. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Susan. Ezra, go on.
Okay. Bitte.
Derweil.
Derweil. Derweil gehen weg noch 2 men. Tag. Okay, this is small. Leien ich in the papers als man hat begann wird. A bank. So I'm reading in the newspapers that a bank was robbed. Erget is the Bronx.
Oh, the Bronx.
The Bronx. Erget's in the Bronx. Somewhere in the Bronx, a bank was robbed. Läuft ich weg zum Präsident von mein Bank und sag ich. So right away I'm running over to the bank president's office, and I say, "It's bitter. It's terrible. Mach zu mir." So he replies to me, "Was ist der mehr?" What is your problem, mister, sir? Sag ich, men gandet. I've been robbed. The bank has been robbed. Sagt er, bei mir wird man nicht ganvenen. Not on my watch. They're not going to rob the bank on my watch. Mein Bank is bewarnt. It's alarmed. My bank is alarmed. It's secure. Sag ich, so I say to him, no. Und was tut ihr, Marshal, als euer Castillo habt zu Geld und entläuft? What will you do if your treasurer steals the money and runs away? Sagt ihr, Mister, ihr weißt nicht, was ihr redt. You don't know what you're talking about. Sag ich, no. Mila. I don't know what that
Mela.
is. What?
Mela.
Mela.
No, Mela.
No. Mela. Okay. Weiß ich nicht, was ich red. Sie ist mir nicht gelernt.
Gelegen.
That's an idiom, which I'm not sure what it means.
Yeah.
Someone knows what it means?
Yes, it means that it didn't come to me easily.
Okay.
Or I think it doesn't sit right by me.
Or it doesn't
Define
sit right by
correctly.
me. Yeah, I didn't manage to do it well. The result isn't as I expected. I mean, it has all of those connotations.
Okay.
It didn't work out.
It didn't work out would
It
be the
didn't work out.
simplest. Yeah, okay.
Okay, go on, Ezra.
Aber Naya Grottes hat gemacht. What's Grottes?
Gratis is the things that you put on the windows.
The bars.
Great.
The
The
bars.
bars.
Oh,
The
great.
Great.
Aber Naya Grottes habe ich gemacht. I put new
No, he's
grates
No, he's
on my
asking
ear.
him. He's asking him.
Oh, he's asking him.
He's asking him if he put new grates on the
aber
window.
Naya Grottes hat gemacht. Did you put in new grates? Sagt er, nein, I did not. Sag ich, no. Und der Gebäude hat ihr übergebaut, zu euch nicht, zu euch nicht. Having trouble with that. Und die Gebäude hat ihr übergebaut zu euch nicht. Zu euch nicht?
Gebäude is building.
Yeah.
That's a building.
Yeah.
In there,
So
Did you reinforce?
building,
Did you reinforce the building?
Yeah.
Yes.
in the building, okay. Übergebaut, did you reinforce it?
Or not? Or not?
Für euch nicht. Or did you not yet
no.
do that either? You haven't done that either.
Mhm.
You didn't do the grates. You didn't do reinforce the bank.
Yes.
Macht so he says, please, Herr Teuf, badern.
Badern. Badern. That's English.
Oh, badern. Oh.
Badern.
Stop bothering me? Is
Stop
that what it
bothering.
is?
Don't
Stop
bother me.
That's what he's saying. Stop bothering. Okay, thank you.
Wait. Before we go on to the next page,
Yeah,
can we
I
go
saw
back?
you, Elaine. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Go on. Yeah, you started talking.
Back up a few sentences. Mela? What is Mela?
Perhaps.
Never mind.
Well,
Well, then.
okay. Well, something
Perhaps.
like this.
Maybe.
No, not exactly perhaps. It's
No.
Never
Well,
mind.
then.
It's like, well, anyway.
Okay.
Never mind is okay. Well is okay.
Never
Mela
mind.
is never mind.
Never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mela.
It doesn't
Mela,
matter.
never
Like, it
mind.
doesn't matter. It doesn't.
Yeah.
Okay.
It doesn't matter.
Oh, okay. And I have another question.
Yes.
At the very top line, macht der mehr. Was is der mehr? And I think you said what is wrong. I wasn't sure.
Yes.
Matter?
What's the problem?
The matter.
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
What's the matter?
Matter in that context is matter.
Yeah.
I think it's a mispronunciation of the English
Yeah.
matter.
Of the English matter, yeah.
Right. The guy speaking English.
Wait, a mispronunciation of what?
Of matter.
Matter. There.
Man, this is the
What's
man.
the matter?
Matter.
What does it matter?
A contraction of the word matter.
Okay, refoil and then motive. Refoil.
Yeah, two things. I don't believe that mir is a contraction from English. I think it's even in European Yiddish. But let's go back to it says mir nicht gelegen. I looked this one up in Stuchkov, and he has several entries for nit sein gelegen, and I think it's short for is mir nicht gelegen in Herzen. I don't really care. It doesn't lie in my heart. It doesn't.
Right.
It doesn't weigh me down. So I say, well, maybe I don't know what I'm talking about. I don't care. And then he continues.
There's someone is talking and I.
Was ist mir nicht gelegen? Okay, I get it. I don't care.
My mother used to use it like if she was making dough and it didn't come out right, she would say, "Ist mir nicht gelegen."
Gelegen ist nicht gelungen.
No, gelungen.
Oh,
Nicht
gelungen.
gelungen is
All right,
different.
so
Nicht
I
gelungen.
mixed those two up. Thank you.
Yeah.
Gelungen. Okay.
And what is
That-
gelung? And what does that mean? Gelungen.
It doesn't came up okay.
Yeah.
It doesn't.
Okay.
It was not
Didn't come out.
successful.
Didn't come out right.
Didn't
Or I
come
did,
out
or
right.
I
All
didn't
right, that's
suc-
the
or
word
I
I
didn't
thought this
succeed.
was. So
Yeah,
it was
exactly.
wrong.
Morty, you raised your hand before, Morty.
Yeah, it's okay. No, nothing.
Nothing? Sure?
No.
Okay, so let's continue and see the adventures of the money in the bank. So, Josefa, can you go on?
All right. Sag ich, so I say, ob hat nicht gemacht, ken neue gratis und die Gebäude hat euch nicht über gebaut. I'm going to stop there. So if you didn't make new bars, any new bars, and you didn't reinforce the building, und das schöne Kassierer Eiers hat ihr nicht abgeschafft, and your lovely cashier, you didn't. What does that mean?
Fire.
Dismiss.
Fire.
Dismiss.
Fire. You didn't fire. Ta. Gitje mir her. Sag ich die Gelder. So wait a minute. So something to me here. Give me here.
Here.
Tell me the what happens to the monies.
Hand over.
No.
Give me.
Yeah. Give me.
back my $20.
Oh, get ya. Okay, get yeah. In the formal, I got it. It's give, but get yeah. All right. So give me. So already give me back my. Give me the money.
Yep.
All right. Sagt so he says, and musst warten. You have to wait. Bis wann es wird sein volle 2 Wochen. Yeah, something about you have to wait the full 2 weeks. What was the word in there? Bis.
Yes, the whole 2 weeks.
What's bis wann?
Until.
Oh, okay. They keep shoving these words together that are normally
Yes.
separate ones. Okay. Sag ich, so I say, all right.
All right.
Ich will warten. All right, I'll wait. Aber weißt ihr, wo ich will warten? You know where I'll wait? He's going to wait. He's going to sit in the lobby the whole time. But da in Dreußen vor der Bank. So right here, right outside in front of the bank. Will ich warten. That's where I'll wait. Ich werde Oh, I'm sorry. Wird bei mir, sag ich, Kain?
Yes.
Kain die Erd und kein satisfaction. I can't get no satisfaction. So, wird bei mir nicht aufführen. All right, I lost too long. I lost track.
So Kain the Erd is another
idiom,
another saying. So anyone knows what it means?
Kain the Erd.
I'm gonna chew the.
Literally, it's chew the earth. I'll chew the earth.
Yeah.
But
Rafael?
I'll dig in. kind of. Right?
Once again, Stuchkov comes through. He has the expression Kayin, Jüngere het die Erd, under Teut. So it means to die.
Oh,
Okay.
now
So
it's
you
getting,
will, so
now
it
it's
means
getting serious.
you will die and you will get you won't get any satisfaction from me. Yes, I think so.
Yeah.
No, okay.
He's kind of raising the stakes here, isn't
Yeah, he's raising the bar.
It's going to stay there till he dies. All right.
Okay, go on, Josefa.
Wird dir bei mir nicht, so you won't go away. Ich soll viele wissen, I'll even show. Is that?
No,
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 is
no,
it? No.
please.
Okay, I'll even know. Als meine Kinder wollen bleiben on Taten. My poor children will remain without a father. Will ich mich nicht rühren von draußen. What is that? I won't
move from the street.
Move. I
move
won't move
from
my spot.
I won't move from the spot. Okay. Bis wann ich nicht haben zurück das Geld. Until I won't move from the spot until I get back the money. Ich will nicht über losen. I won't what? I won't leave. I won't leave. So I say die Bank auf Hefker to until with chaos.
Yeah,
Forever. Ich sag ich will watchen und mein Landsmann. So I'll be watching, and my buddy was wohnt da, that lives here, gegenüber across the street, wird watchen. He'll be watching. Et sich tun until it's done.
No, set sich tun, sag ich heute.
Wow.
I think it means
there'll be hell to pay.
Where's
It
the
will be hell to pay, exactly. It will be bad. It will be hell to pay.
Point of
Choshech is darkness in Hebrew.
Right.
So, okay. All right. Otazah mean is this is such a kind of Jew, Yid, that's the kind of Jew I am. Ich will da stehen in draußen. I'm going to stand outside. So I say in the größte Frost? What's
Frost. In cold.
Frost?
Cold.
That's
It's
like
Frost.
What is it?
Frost.
It is frost. Okay, until
It's frost.
He's gonna be there till winter. In other words?
In the cold.
In the cold. It's probably winter then.
Und lomer sein, and let's see, sag ich, I say, tut mir etwas, do something to me?
Yeah, let's see if you can do something to me. I'll stand there and let's see if you can do something to me.
I dare you to do something.
Put me around. I dare you. Yeah.
Yeah, do me
Do
something.
me something. Do me something.
Do me something. Okay, thank you, Josefa. Thank you. Bob, go on, Bob.
Macht er zu mir? He says to me, "Ihr sind ein moderner Mensch. You're a strange man. Kommt herab mit mir unter in Bank. Come with me downstairs into the bank. Will ich euch heißen euch zahlen, sagt er, and I will give you back $20. Sag ich, no sir.
No,
sir. Etelijke monkey business. Oh, yeah, etelijke, such monkey business. Gehen bei mir nicht und weil, sage ich, ihr wollt mir zurückgeben, das Geld, will ich es dovka nicht gemein. And so much monkey business. Excuse me?
Nemen.
Nemen. Yeah, Nemen. Thank you. This monkey business doesn't go by me. It doesn't work with me because I say I will not take back. Ich will mir zurück. I will not take back the money because I am by necessity, or I can't take it back, or by my.
No. What he says is, you want to
can't-
give me back the money, so Dafka. I will not take it.
Yeah, because you want to give it back. I won't take
because you want to take it. Yes.
Oppositional defiance.
Yes.
That sounds very much like me.
You can't.
At least my wife thinks so.
Okay.
Ik kent mich so ich nicht swingen dazu. You can't force me to do that.
Do it.
You can't force me to do money.
You can't make me do that. Sagt all right. Nehmt nicht euch zu Geld. All right, don't take back your money. I say, sag ich, never mind.
Yeah, never mind.
Never mind. Nehmt nicht euch zu Geld, als ich willen, will ich euch genehmen. And someone needs to tell me all that. What's all that mean?
When I want to take it out, I'll take it out, I guess.
Okay. It's up to me.
When I want.
When ich will and if I get it, yeah.
Okay, another
thank you.
When I'm good and ready.
When I'm good and ready.
Okay, Bob, another line.
Sagen please, geht euch und hört auf good year. Go out and go bother somebody else.
Okay. Nudian, to that. Stop
being a pain.
Okay.
Leave me alone.
Thank you, Bob. So, Rafael, please finish it because there are some reading that it's good when you are doing it. So please, Rafael. Rafael?
Yeah. Where are we then? Zogich?
Zogich.
Okay, I just lost the page on my own copy here. Good. Zogich. Okay. All right. Ich gehe. Okay, I'm going. Aber ich will stehen in draußen. But I'm going to be standing out there. In die größte Frest will ich stehen in draußen. In the deepest frosts, I will be standing outdoors. Und watchen meine Gelder. I'll be watching my money. Und mein unschuldig Blut. And my innocent blood, sag ich. Und das Blut von meiner unschuldige Jesäumen. And the blood of my innocent orphan children. That fallen will fall, sag ich, I say, auf eure Cap. It'll be falling on your head. It'll be your fault. Bandit. Sag ich, I say. Was ihr seid, that you are. Dem electric chair, sag ich. The electric chair, I say, is für euch wenig, is not enough for you. Hitzel, Mörder, Gewalt. So, Murder and Gewalt, murder is murderer and Gewalt is Gewalt. Hitzel, I'm not quite so sure.
Hitzel is scoundrel.
Okay.
What did you say Gewalt was?
Gewalt is Gewalt.
Gewalt. Gewalt is Gewalt.
Oh.
Yeah.
What was Hitzel? Hitzel?
Well, literally, it's a dog catcher, apparently.
But it's a scoundrel.
A rascal.
A scoundrel.
Yeah, scoundrel or rascal.
Rascal.
Yeah.
Yes.
And Gewalt, that's an interesting word. It comes from the word meaning force, but then it becomes a scream of help me.
Yeah, right.
Und ich nehm schreien mit alle Keuches, and I begin to scream with all my strength. The stuff is given. Well, how it turned out, the end was, as man hat mir abgegeben die $20, that they handed back to me my $20. When I heimgehen dick von Bank, and on the way home from the bank, hat man say bei mir herausgegangen wird vergessen. Someone pickpocketed. Someone stole it out of my pocket. Und von dem on, and from that point on, as I endigt der Ried, that's how the fellow finishes his story. Was der erzählt die dosige Geschichte, the guy who's telling this particular story. From that on, von dem on, hab ich sich gegeben a Schwur. I've made an oath, as mein Fuß soll nicht darüber treten die Schwelle von a Bank, that my foot should never pass over the threshold of a bank. Says regular banditen is das. It's regular bandits is what it is. Keshne genovim. They are pickpockets. Pickpockets again. Lassen sie sich anzünden. Let them all burn.
Okay.
Very
So
funny
that
story.
Yeah, so that was, sometimes we need a bit to laugh. So that was one of these stories. Do you have any comments or question about it? It's, a straightforward thing. Yeah, Rochelle.
In the same vein of, being an immigrant, it wasn't a bank, but I remember my fourth grade teacher telling me that you could go to the library and take out books for free. I didn't even know what a library was at that point. So I make my mother walk me to the library. This is upstate in Ellenville. And I pick out a couple of books and I walk out with them. And then after a while, the teacher says something about returning books that I hear. So I tell my mother I have to return the books. And this is like a month later. So I pick up the books and, we return them to the library. And I return them at the desk. And the librarian starts screaming at me because I didn't check them out.
No.
Because I did not know that if they were free, I had to check them out and return them by a certain time. I just walked in and took them. So it's the same kind of cultural thing of not quite knowing the ropes.
Yeah.
And my mother certainly didn't know.
A shame Meise.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. Thank you, Rochelle.
It's a free country. It's a free country.
It's a free country.
Refoil and then Marsha. Refoil.
Yeah, just a small point of vocabulary. Earlier on, we had as ichel velen, velech nemen. And the two velens are different verbs. As ichel velen, that's the infinitive of will, if I will wish. And then velech, I, in the future, will nemen. So they're cognate to each other, but they actually come from, at this point, two different verbs, to wish and the mark of the future. So it's just an interesting point of view.
Azichel velen also means if I will want.
That's it. Azichel velen, if I want.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Marsha?
Anzünden, sich anzünden. Is that like to light a fire?
Yes.
Burn yourself.
Should they burn? Should they burn? Yeah. But anzünden, yes, it's to light a fire.
They should burn themselves up.
Yeah. Marie?
He's cursing them.
I think this is the precursor to the Marx Brothers.
It's a wonderful story.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. It's, from time to time we need to laugh. So we still have time. So let's move. Where is it? It's in. So this one, it's a bit different. because it's actually Bobemaises. It's actually Bobemaises. It's Boris Sandler telling us about the Bobemaises that his grandmother used to tell. Since it's a word, it's not a PDF, so that's what I can do with it. Okay? Anyway, you probably, I don't know how many of you had grandparents. Well, I didn't because I was in Israel, and almost none of my generation had grandparents. But probably if you had grandparents, you heard all kinds of mices from them. And so this is kind of these things. So my Bobe Elkes mices. So Morty, can you start, please?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sorry,
not on the
where?
screen.
You got to change the picture.
Yeah, I think you're still showing the earlier story, Minna. You have to stop your share and then do
I didn't stop sharing.
Yeah.
Sorry. Yeah. Yes, you're right.
It's okay.
Yeah, I thought that I can just go from one to another.
No.
Probably not. Okay, so now let's see if I can make it just.
Yeah, there we go.
There it is. Now you see it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Mein Bobbe Elkes Meises, the stories of my grandmother Elka. Übergezählt in Bearbeit von Boris Sandler. Retold and reworked by Boris Sandler. Verschlossen das Muzzle. Lost the lock. Verschlossen really means locked. Maybe it's locked the lock.
Could it be an imperative? Lock up the lock.
It's locked up because of what's going afterwards is to lock up. It's locked like with a lock, with an actual lock.
Yeah. In a Sachstate-Hand, in many states nowadays, wo es ist do a Teich where there is a river, can man sehen auf die Brücken, you can see on the bridges, wie auf die eiserne
Forensen railing.
The railings, as well as over the railings, hängen hunderte Schlösser. There are hanging hundreds of keys.
No, lock.
Die Hussenkalle haben sich genommen.
Locks.
Locks.
Sorry, locks, not keys, locks. Yeah. The Hussenkalles haben sich genommen a Teve. The brides and grooms made it a custom zu verschließen dus Schlüssel in dus Schlüsselwaffen in Teich rein. To lock the locks and to throw the keys into the river. Azoi trachten sie, that way they are thinking, haben sie sich symbolisch zugeschlossen einer zum zweiten. That way they symbolically lock themselves one to the other. Und nur der Teut is mesogel sehr zusammen ausschließen. And only death will let them separate.
Till death do us part.
Yeah.
Ja. Gor anders hat man gehalten in mein Bobes Städtel Markulic. Something different was done in my grandmother's Städtel, the Städtel Markulic. As Emetzer hat gewollt Emetzen uptun schlechts auf Tumit. When somebody wanted to do something bad to the other person forever, Fleiter, he used to Beshaz jener steht unter der Chippe, when the other one, at the moment that the other one stands under the Chuppah, zuschließen a Schlüssel, lock a lock, und das Schlüssel reinwerfen in Wasser, and the key throwing into water. Is ot gelebt ot a Städtels Markulisch, Aid mit Numen Marktsach. There lived in the Städtel Markulisch a Jew with the Numen Marktsach. Beshazer is gestanden unter der Chippe. At the moment when he was standing under the Chuppah, hat sein Chaver, his friend, wo allein hat befirisch herausgeguckt zu stehen unter der Chippe, who himself was looking forward to being under the Chuppah mit Marktsakes Kalle, with Marktsakes bride, verschlossener Schlüssel, locked a lock, und das Schlüssel reingeworfen in dem artigen Teichel Ruhet, and threw the key into the river Reut.
Okay, thank you, Morty. Thank
You're
you.
welcome.
So we have here three sons. So let's go on. Beverly, please. Haben sich Neber, Beverly?
Yeah, I know. Haben sich Nebuch auf dem Martzak a Shitketan Zulus. So how would you describe Nebuch? Oh, unfortunately, sadly.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Sadly, on Martzak, the guy, trouble came. He had trouble. Was nur auf alle unser Schreines Kep sollen sie fallen on auf her. And now she's wishing she's wishing bad times to fall on Mars.
May they fall on our enemies' cops, heads.
So this Zures should fall on our enemies.
On our enemies' heads.
Yeah.
Hat Marsak eingespannt sein Pferdl und ist gefahren zu is that a rabbi?
Rabboim. To rabbis.
Plural, so for rabbi.
Yeah. Gefahren zu Rabboim. Kishef Machers, uns hat ihm gar nicht geholfen. So he went to the rabbi, and also the Kishef Machers were the magicians.
Mm-hmm.
Where am I now?
Uns hat ihm gar nicht geholfen.
And nothing helped. Bis sich gewusst von einem
Daraduda. Okay, so I couldn't find what is a Daraduda. Maybe it's a name. Did anyone find what it means?
I agree it's a name.
I think it's a name. I'm not sure.
Until he found this person named Daraduda, a guy, a non-Jew, a bekannter Kishevmacher. He knew him as a magician. Is Kishevmacher a magician?
Yes.
A well-known magician.
A well-known, magician.
Yeah, bekannter, yeah.
Moved the, or maybe I did. Okay.
Wegen ihm hat man erzählt hunderter
Nissim
okay, about him, they told hundreds of miracles, I guess.
Yes.
Der Daraduva hat gewohnt Aj in Pluska. He really lived in a town, Pluska. A dorf is a little village.
Yes.
A dorf leben Selaton, near another village named Selaton, a Stettel in der Bukovina, in the area of called Bukovina.
Yeah, so he's giving us the place.
Yeah, I don't know where that is now.
What is the word Daraduda?
That's what we, so
It's
that's
the
what I
name.
say
It's
that
the
I
name of
could,
the magician.
it's probably a name. I couldn't
Right.
find anything else, so it's probably a name. Yes,
The name
Moti.
of the magician of the.
Yeah,
So-
I was just going to mention that usually a dorf is considered a non-Jewish town as compared to a shtetl.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I
Interesting.
never knew.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Okay.
right, because my grandma used to say the goy from them dorf.
Ah.
Okay.
I never heard. Gekommen zu dem seltenen Kishofmacher. So he came to this particular magician, hat ihm Marzak erzählt, was sein Chaver hat ihm abgetan. Marzak told him what his friend did to him. Der
Daraduda.
Yeah, but they wouldn't use the word dare.
So, Daraduda.
Ja, hat ihm ausgehört und sich untergenommen, ihm zu helfen. So Daraduva heard about and took it upon himself to help him. Hat ihm geheißen, nächtigen in a Stine
is a shepherd's hut.
Oh, a Sine 3 Chadashim lang. He told him, I don't know how to say.
To sleep, nächtigen, to sleep.
To sleep in a
shepherd's hut.
Shepherd's house for 3 months long.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Beverly. Thank you. Mariv, yes.
I was taught in another class that shtetl was basically where Jews were invited by the landowners to like open a tavern, and also where they would the farmers around the area would bring their stuff to sell to the Jews. It was basically a Jewish town. Not a village, a small town, but mainly Jews. There would be non-Jews there as well, but it would be like a Jewish, center, as opposed to a Darf, which was a tiny little village. And I never heard that it was mainly for non-Jews, but that would make sense. Anybody know any better than that?
No, I agree with you.
Okay, Bob?
Yeah. A shtetl was a real town with a marketplace and a synagogue, and it was a going operation, like a real, a village was just a few houses and perhaps like a general store, but it didn't have a center basic where people would come to market or come to synagogue every week. A shtetl was a real place like that. That was the prime, not a village. Village was tiny. Had very little.
Okay, thank you. So, David, let's finish the story for us.
Jeren Ksos hat Marzak gehört Meshuna Bildin Yarid off in Boydum. So every midnight, Marzak heard some crazy, wild, I guess commotion going on up in the Boydum in the attic.
Yes. Yeah.
So hat sich dort getan Heuscher. It was dark up there. Es hat sich gedacht, als die Hutke fällt bald ein. It seemed as that the little hut, the building is going to fall in, soon collapse. So hat Marzak sich gemutscht alle 3 Kadoshim. And thus he, endured for 3 months. Gemutscht alle 3 Kadoshim. In die letzte Tag hat der Kishofmacher geheißen kaufen a Methero. On the last days there, the magician ordered him to buy a little knife. Dem letzten in the free. In the last morning, hat Marzak sich aufgehabt und seit Leben sein gelegen, walkert sich a Schlüssel. Yeah, so that last morning, Herzog got up and saw next to his bedding, was rolling around a Schlüssel, but I guess a little lock. Yeah.
A lock.
Yeah. Und in ihm is reingesteckt das Messer, and in it was stuck in, the little knife was stuck in. Jene Nacht haben die nicht Gute gefragt von dem Teich Ruhet, vom Teich Ruhet, dem Schlüssel, und zu Marzogs Soros is gekommen so. That night, the demons in Ishguta brought from the river the little lock, and that was the end of Martzok's troubles.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. Thank you. So that's one of the stories, and there are many, some of them, I don't remember if it's 4 or 5 stories. So, and in most of them you can find the element of superstition, supernatural, and so on. So just something else. So I don't know. Did you have any grandparents that told you stories like that? No? No? Okay.
Grandparents.
Okay. Anyway, so we will see, supernatural plus Slavic heritage, the combination is little sometimes. Anyway, so that's it for this week, and we will continue reading those stories next week as well. So,
well, above minds is not just a story that your grandmother told, but it has really no belief. It's above minds. It means it doesn't have much. It's not true.
Mm-hmm. Okay, I think in this case it can be both of them.
Right.
The Bobe and also,
Right.
Don't know how true it is.
But children love it.
Fairy tales.
Fairy tales, yeah.
Kids love it.
It's nice.
It gives the
Barbara
Bubba
Sandler
a bad name because she's telling stories that aren't true. Or could they be just folklore?
Yeah, they can
definitely,
be.
Definitely.
Yes, Eric, you started saying something.
No, I wanted to say it's nice that Boris Sandler shared with us his Bubba Mises, so that somebody contemporary is passing it on to us. So
that's true.
I enjoy his writing.
There's an etymology that it did not come from Baba, meaning grandmother, but it was a name of a character. Baba. It was a character that they wrote about in the 18th century.
And I mean, because we use it like an old wives' story, but old wives' story is pejorative against. Why not an old husband story?
Again, it's pejorative towards grandmothers, and that it's supposed to be.
Michael Wex writes. Michael Wex has a whole article about that. I'll see if I can find it.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, guys.
I think what you mean, Josefa, is the story of Bobo.
Yeah.
Yes.
So that's.
All right. Got to get to my Torah class. Bye.
Okay, go. Anyway, so we will see you next week. Zay me'ale gesehen, and we will continue with the Bobo Mises.
For anybody who's fasting tonight for Tisha B'Av, may you have an easy fast.
Thank you.
Thank you. So,
Tisha
B'Av is tomorrow.
Tomorrow
night into Thursday.
Okay.
No, tonight.
We're having our services tomorrow.
Tomorrow night.
Tomorrow night, yeah.
Tomorrow night
And Thursday is Tisha B'Av.
Is the fast.
Have a nice fast if you do fast. Anyway.
And I want to thank everyone for their birthday wishes.
Okay. Bis in den 20.
Amen.
Okay. Bye all.
Bye.
Wir sehen noch eine Woche.